So now we're going to look at question 1C, and in particular, I want to look at the map that we've just drawn, and what question 1C asks us to do is to outline any two relevant climatic factors that affect each route. So we're going to do this by factor, and you can see that on our chart over here, we've got the wind blowing like that, clockwise and outwards in the northern hemisphere, which in turn drives the water, the current. So there's your Gulf Stream, and here is the north equatorial current, which forms part of this general clockwise circulation. So let's look first at the current circulation. So first factor is current situation. So what do I want to say? I want to say GC track follows prevailing currents. And if vessel follows this route, then it is favorable by up to 1 knot, which is what it tells us down here. There is a high constancy, which means that the current is there most of the time. If we look at the Rhumb line route, we can see that track is further south. There it is there. And does not enjoy the same advantages leading to a smaller speed made good. So there are two things for the current, and we look at the wind circulation, which is the next thing on our list. And what we can see is that with the GC track, we have following winds. There, the winds are following us all the way. Following winds, meaning following seas and weather, minimizing the effects of any depressions. As far as the Rhumb line track is concerned, over here we will also have an increase in speed made good. The Rhumb line track, we are traveling through the high pressure, and that will have light and variable winds with little or no adverse effect. Now you must remember that these are models, and generally speaking, the wind over here is following us, except perhaps for this bit over here. But on average, the wind is in our favor, which means the seas are in our favor. So that is the so this makes our voyage, economical. Now the next part of the question, which was question 2, is asking us to choose an appropriate route. So question 1C2, the most appropriate route in this case is the GC route track, because of the following currents and seas and winds leading to a greater speed made good, a faster and more fuel efficient passage. And that is the end of question 1.